quickly demonstrate a process or share information by creating a video from your captures in Snagit. Add arrows, drawings, and narration to help communicate with your viewers. The fastest way to get started is to click the Create menu in the Snagit editor and choose Video from Images, which allows you to record a video using the recent captures in the tray. Alternatively, if you want to choose a few specific captures to record, you can select a set of images by using Shift-click to select a range, or Control-click to select particular images. This can be done from the Recent Captures tray, like you see here, or the Snagit library. Then use the option in the Create menu, or right-click a selected image and choose Create Video from Images. Either way, Snagit starts recording mode. Everything that happens within this space will be recorded in your video, including arrows, drawings, and any text you add. Below the recording space is the recording toolbar. Before you hit record, check these settings. For example, use the microphone button to decide whether or not to record your voice. For this video, I don't want viewers to see the mouse cursor moving around, so I'll leave this option off. The color of the video background around the capture can be changed, which can help make content stand out. To change the color, open the color picker and select a color from the palette, or use the eyedropper to match the background to a color in a capture. The last setting here is the webcam, which is useful to get a little FaceTime with viewers or do an intro. Click the drop-down arrow to select the webcam you prefer to use, and to choose the location of your picture-in-picture webcam, or set the webcam to full screen. I'd like to start the video with picture-in-picture in the bottom right corner. If you're recording a set of images, like a series of steps in a process, place them in order by clicking and dragging to rearrange them in the tray. When you're ready, click Record, and after the countdown, Snagit will start recording. While I record, I can move my webcam into different corners and resize it so it doesn't block important information. I can also turn it on and off with the webcam button. As you narrate your video, use the tools in your favorites to draw attention to certain elements of an image. The drawing action is recorded and shown in the final video, like a weather forecaster or a sports commentator on TV. After drawing something, you can select it, and even though handles aren't visible, you can move, resize, or delete it. Click the arrow keys to advance to the next image, or go back to the previous one. Or click any image in the tray to jump to it. Snagit will make one continuous recording of everything that appears in the recording area. But if you need a moment to collect your thoughts, click the pause button, and then resume recording when you're ready. When you're done, click Stop. Snagit places the new video at the beginning of the Recent Captures tray and on the canvas where you can view it and make simple edits using the playhead. When everything's ready to go, use Snagit's outputs to save the video as an MP4 or share it to a destination of your choice. To learn more about Snagit, including how to edit video, check out our other tutorials.